Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick haul to share with you. I finally got my order for the Kscraft October release, and I bought the bundle, and it got here today. Well, I should say this evening, because it's already evening. All right. So, ooh, that is a first. Oh. Double check that this is empty. Okay. Oh, this was a separate. This I added to my order. It is the stitch nested circle frames. And oh wow, they are so tiny. Or not tiny, but so many. I didn't realize how many was in it. So that is a nice set of circle dies. You get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21. Ooh. And the little small one, the smallest is, wow, 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch to 5.5 inches. That is a good set. I like that. Next time I'll get the square and the rectangle. So this is the October release. Yep. 2024 October bundle for Kscraft. You guys have all seen it already. The design teams have shared it. So have other crafters. I'd like to keep the bag, but it's all jacked up. So let's just go over it real quick. These are the banner die sets, Christmas theme. You got some bows, candy canes, hollies, and a stocking set. That would be cute. And we have the shaker gingerbread memory deck set, and it has like candies and bows, and it's a different kind of bow. It's a flat bow, so that's going to be cute. Lots of cute details with this one. The gingerbread, more gingerbread, yes. And no, I'm not sick of it. This is going to be awesome for Mother's Day gifts. This is the recipe box, and you got a 3D box that you could put your recipes in. This is the side, the front, and then this would be the bottom. And then you also get the layering pieces, some extra details. You got a pot, fork, spoon, and knife. And you also get a tab set. So it also has the recipe card, which is the ruffle piece here. And then you get the layering piece here. Then you can use your tabs, these tabs here, to personalize the recipe card. And then you also get the shadow word recipes. You get a heart-shaped tab. Then you got this one and then this one. Very cool. And they all have layering pieces. And this is the front of the box, the recipe box. And then you have a layering piece for that. And also included is our stamp set. So you can stamp this, and you've got the chef serves. What is that? Prep time, cook time, ingredients, directions, and recipe. And it comes pre-stamped or with the fork, spoon, and knife on there. So that is going to be a cute little Mother's Day gift. That would be a great swap. Also, a loaded recipe box. That is a great idea. Okay. And then you have, this is the mug gift set. Like you have the coffee mugs. You can pick up any of them from Dollar Tree or whatever, like a 12 ounce, I think it is. And you cut these out 2 times. So one for the front, one for the back, and then you have the bottom piece. All has layering stitches. This has the reinforcements for your top of the gift box or carrying case. layering pieces. I'm excited for this one. Another great gifting. And then this one is the snowman. Ooh, I think I already have this. Or maybe I'm just seeing everybody else's projects. Maybe. I might be wrong. Might be a different snowman. But anyway, it says, let it snow. You melt my heart. Season's greetings. Have a cool Yule. Brr. Let it snow again. Different fonts. Very cute. Thanks snow much. Winter wishes. And hi frosty friend. Very cute for non-Christmas card making or tags. Very nice for winter theme. And so here's another snowman. Sophia loves snowmen. And here is another gift box, and this comes with a roof shingles detail. So here's the gift box. Oh, Tony Craft Purge had made a sample of this, and then she showed this in the crate die set. It's also from Kscraft. And she said if you make this, it will fit in the crate. You could probably fit 4 once you get to play with your with all your dies. But this makes out like a roof line, so you can add the shingle details to the roof of the box. And it's about, I'll just leave my ribbon, my ruler out. I think it's about 1 1/4 inches wide. And so it goes like this. You also get the layering pieces, the stitching details, all of that. Very, very cool. And you've got a layering piece for the front to make a window too. So, oh my goodness. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. That's going to be great for gift giving. So another gift box type thing. Here is the Santa champagne bottle gift card. This makes a little Santa presentation. Here's the gift card holder. You can turn I've seen them turning it into a box, into a card, and you know, all that good stuff. And then there's also this really cute tag. Oh my gosh, if you guys aren't following Soleil Crafts here on YouTube, go check her out. She does some great examples when these dies come out. I think she gets it before everybody else, and her samples are really, really cute. Along with Hannah, who shows all the examples before anybody gets it. But those two are great channels to follow if you're buying the monthly releases. Oh my God. It'd be a great idea if Hannah started a monthly subscription, and then, you know, there you have it. You get guaranteed release once you have a monthly subscription. But these are the little flat presents, and they're really, really pretty. Great for Christmas cards and, you know, extra embellishing pieces you can add to your crafty goodies. So let me put that with the Christmas. Oh, this is a smaller set. So this is the larger set. Same style, same designs. Everything's the same. This is just a smaller size. So you get the large and the small. And I can't wait to put this one together. This is a Joy mini album. And she's got the extra pieces to cut for each letter. After each letter, you can make it a page. The J could be a page. The O could be a page. And then the Y is just the full length. So that would be a beautiful mini album. I put that here with the Christmas. And here are the peppermint bows, the large and the small. Oh my gosh, these bows are adorable. You also get these very cute tags. I'm going quickly because everybody else has already shared these. And I just don't want to bore you guys. So you get this style of tags, a large and a small. This is a great value because, you know, you're getting the large and the small, and you got layering pieces. You also have the reinforcement for the hole. And you, well, no, not the hole. This makes a hole for the little one. And then you got this style where it's curved in. This one is like a almost rectangle. So very cute tags. Oh, wow. And I heard a few ladies saying that this would be great for trims, for sharing trims, or even using it to organize your trims. That will be great. I'm going to put that with my circle dies. This is a beautiful die set. It is a wreath. I don't want to say Christmas wreath, but it is a wreath, and you could use it for any holiday. It's beautiful. And it's, I think, 2 sizes. Yep, a large and a small. And you also get the leaves, extra leaves, and you also get a jingle bell and some flowers and some dragonflies. So you get 4 dragonflies. I would have rather got the jingle bells. If we had a garland of jingle bells, that would be cute. Or even a die. Like, that would be cute. Oh my gosh, Hannah. Woohoo! Give us a jingle bells. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh my gosh, now I can't get them back into these delicate bags. Get in there. My son, if you guys can hear him, in there singing. He's right next door to me. Okay, that's Christmas. I'm not going to take these out again. This is a gift card, but it's a Memory-Dex card also. So Memory-Dex card with a gift card holder. So, and you also get the Shadow Word gift card, and you also get like snowflakes. I think 4 snowflakes. Yep. 4 snowflake tags even. They're tags because they got the little hole to hang it. Be cute. Very cool. Memory-Dex card. Another one for the stash. Very cool. This is the add-on for the Halloween truck. Let me see. Where did it go? Oh. I have every season here. Here it is. So you take the Halloween truck and turn it into Christmas. I mean, really, she could have just, oh, well, yeah, she would need to make the peppermints for the wheels. But yeah, that is the Halloween truck add-on. All right. Always nice to have those. And look at this cute coffee cup. You get the swirls, you get the drizzle, you get the whip on top, candy canes, yes. And you have the little gingerbread man. Oh, that's cute. Oh, the small and the large. So 2 sizes. See, this is what's great about getting her bundle. You're going to get the large and the small. So these are the add-ons for the Easter Bunny gift bag. And what do you call that? I have it. I just have it in my stash. I have to dig it out to get to use it. But I think someone else also used it on, I think, this bag. I think it was this gift bag or box, gift box. I'm not sure. But, you know, of course, with all of Hannah's dies, you can interchange them and use them with any of the other dies. So this is a great add-on for that. And then here's another mini album. It's the Sleigh mini album. And the words you get are sleigh, fun. What is that? Let's go and vibe are your words. This one's already ripped up, but that's that mini album. And then this last one. What is this one? I don't know. This one is all ripped up anyway. So, oh, this is the locker. Yes. Yes. Soleil made a Christmas theme locker, stacked locker, advent calendar style. And Hannah shared a tutorial on how to put these together. And you could use magnets to make your door mechanism work. Wow, this is a great die set. Oh my gosh, advent calendar for the house. That's cute. So that is the October release from Kscraft. And I need to get crafting with these dies because Christmas is almost here, and I would love to put a mini album together. It's so many options. You have this one, you have the previous releases. I mean, there's so many, so many. So go check out Hannah on Kscraft here on YouTube. I'll link her down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, everybody, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.